Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about pair RDD. In previous couple of videos we have seen RDD and we have seen transformation, action and couple of set operation on regular RDD. Today we are going to cover pair RDD. Most of the datasets in pair RDD, most of the datasets are in form of key and value pair. Uh, so pair already stores those data set as a tuples. We call it tuples, which consist of key and value pair. Pair RDD can be created in two ways. One is from the regular RDD and one from the tuple. As I said, tuple is a Scala implementation, right, where it contains a key and a value. Key could be anything, it could be string, integer, or anything. And value could be string, integer, float, long, anything. So, if anyone asks what's a parity, it's type of RDD which contains a pair of object and each pair will contain key and value. So this is the way we can remember pair RDD. So let's try some examples. Suppose if you before you go into examples, let me explain what is tuple. Right, tuple is a data set or data structure which contains key and value. So how I have to create a tuple? Tuple will be created in this way: tuple param type integer and key as a key and string as a value, and new tuple. I am passing a value as a 12 as a key and Ravi as a value. So let me repeat. Tuple class, in bracket I am passing integer as a key, string as a value, and I am creating a new tuple where 12 is as a key and Ravi as the value. If I have to fetch these things from the tuple, what I can do, tuple dot underscore 1 bracket, I will get key, and a tuple dot underscore 2 bracket, I will get value. So let's create this pair RDD using an example. So I'm opening one class. I've created this class. First couple of lines are the same. There's nothing great to talk about. Let's look at this. What I'm doing, I'm creating a list. In that list, I'm creating two tuples. First tuple is having one as an integer, one integer as a key, and John as a value. In second tuple, I'm having a key as a 2 and value as a Peter. So I'm having a list of tuples. So in this example, we are seeing how we can create pair ID from the tuples. So I got a list which is containing list of tuples. Now what I will do from the Spark context, I will do parallelize pairs. In this, I am going to pass list of tuples. If as soon as I run this line, I will get pair RDD as a response. So I am printing this in the output pair RDD. So let me run this program. If you see, this output is run, we are getting list of pair RDD, where 1 is a key, John is a value, and 2 as a key, Peter is as a value. This is the one way of creating pair ID. Let's jump on creating a pair ID from the regular RDD. So what I did, again same program, first two lines are same. In the second line, what I'm doing, I'm creating a list of strings. In first line, I'm having a 1 and John. In second line, I'm having a 2 and Peter. The requirement is that I have to create a pair ID. What I did, I created a regular Java RDD using context.parallelize. So I got a regular RDD. Now what I have to do, since in previous examples, in previous transformation that we see RDD.map, which is going to iterate through each element and gives the can return the uppercase values or object, right? Here we are using map to pair. What it does, each record in RDD will be converted into pair RDD using the pair function, where string is a line, this is the line, integer is a key, and string is a value. and I have to implement this method. In that, I'm splitting a line using a space. There's a space, and I'm getting two words, one and John. And what I'm doing, I'm getting return statement. In that, I'm passing new tuple to integer of word of 0. Word of 0 is 1 comma word of 1, that is John. So what this function is doing, let me repeat that. In this function, I'm iterating through each line, and I'm dividing each line into words array using split function, and I'm creating a new tuple, and I'm passing words 0, that is 1, and words 1 is nothing but John. Once I get the pair RDD, I'm printing in the output. So let's run this program. See, 1 John, 2 Peter. So let me again go back to that program. I'll tell you how to write this. First, let me copy the base functionality just to save our time. Okay. I have used map to pair function, but what map to pair function needs? It needs pair function. Okay, object of pair function. So what I'll do, new pair function. I clicked on enter. Since string is always going to be at the input, because ARDD is of type string, so string is came by default. Now key2 and v2, I have to define the tuple, what will be type of key and what will be type of value. So here I will provide integer as a key and string as a value. Okay, now if I click here, it will ask me please implement this method. So I got a call method where string is a line, tuple is a response, where integer is a key and string as a value. So I'll just paste those two lines again. So this is my line. Got it? So this is about pair RDD. We have created pair RDD using two methods. One is from tuples, and another from the regular RDD. Thanks for watching this video. We'll couple of next session we will see couple of transformations and the other APIs. Okay.